Hey there, welcome to the Knowledge Hub. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable web browsing in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right area, you will find three dots. Tap on the three dot. Now, tap on Settings. If you scroll down, you will find Privacy and Security. Tap on that. You scroll under Security, you will find web browsing. Tap on. Here, you have three different options: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, No Protection. Simply select Enhanced Protection. There is an arrow, tap on it. What are the benefits of Enhanced Protection? It warns you about dangerous sites, in-depth scans for suspicious downloads. When you're signed in, protects you across Google services, improves security for you and everyone on the web, warns you if you use a password that has been compromised. So that's why you need to enable Enhanced Protection which can keep you safe while browsing internet. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.